Right now, the hospital has been running on the current generator for 1,300 hours. So having the spare generator here at the hospital means that we can service the generator that has been running straight since the event, and gives us a little bit more relaxation since the generator started failing and going out. So it means to us that we can be able to focus on other things in our operation that we haven't been able to take care of yet. Well, Castaner is a very remote part of the island here in Puerto Rico. It's located between a couple towns, Maricao, Maricao, Las Marias, Lares, Adjuntas, and then this place is the principal economic focus of here, is the main source of employment, is the only setting where we are giving health services. We're a community-based health center that we have, our patients are part of the board of directors. We have a hospital emergency room here. We have a well here, and we give water to the community as much as they need. That relies on the generator power, because this water pump runs on the power that the aliment feeds the hospital. So this hospital is like the main facility here in the town. We have a pharmacy, we have a shop here that people buy their everyday items here also. So this facility here in the hospital is one of the critical areas in the neighborhood and in the community. I think this has been an effort that everyone has put their part in, and we surely appreciate the FEMA, Army Corps of Engineers, and everyone that has put their grain of salt to making sure that our operation continues to run and we are able to continue to give services to our community. And I want to thank you.
So right now we're installing our 500th generator. It's a milestone for the Corps. Previously we'd only installed 310 generators in Hurricane Katrina, in both between Louisiana and Mississippi. So this is a landmark event for us. We're here at the Castaner Hospital, where a lot of our generators have been installed at hospitals to ensure that there's sustained power at these locations. The generator they have has actually been running pretty well. They had two, one went down, this one they had, and it's been running for about 1,300 hours continuous. So the generator brought in will allow them to bring theirs down, do maintenance on it, and continue to run off the generator we're installing. And then they'll be able to rotate those generators to continue to do maintenance going forward. Right, this generator here in the hospital itself actually provides water supply for the entire community. So maintaining this generator and maintaining power here at this facility is critically important, because it not only provides power to the hospital, but also provides a source of water for the entire community. So these remote villages like we're in here, the hospital and these facilities become kind of the center for the community, and where the people come and whether they're getting water or they're coming to meet, this is the location where they'll come do that.